تمام؟ فاحنا هنشوف ان شاء الله تكون اتحسنت يعني وتقدر تحضر معانا بكره. طيب هناخد كده introduction to writing report and writing a letter. We agreed before about the assessment criteria that this task receives 20 marks, okay, 5 marks for each indicator or each descriptor regarding to communication, regarding to wide range of vocabulary, wide range of grammatical structures and organization, okay? So the report, some features of the report, what is the difference between report and article, okay? Number one, where I can read the report. There is a written report. Let's ask this question. Number one, who may or will read the report where I can read it? What do you think? Huh? Who may read this report?
I will.
Sorry?
I will.
You will?
Now read it.
You read it where?
So I'm confused. What did you ask?
Sorry?
What was your question?
Yeah, Ahmed, my question is who will read? I mean, if there is a already written report somewhere in any resource, who may be the reader of this report as an audience? I'm asking about the audience. This is my bad. Sorry. Hi, Shabab. Who is the audience of reports?
It should be a formal tone.
Sorry?
Formal tone.
Formal tone? Okay, formal tone. But you didn't answer my question. Who will read it? Who is the audience? It's targeted to which reader? يا هنا يوسف ونورهان مش مركزين معانا ليه؟ Your audience here for the report may be a teacher. Okay, may be an organizer of an activity. May be your head teacher. May be the manager of an organization. Manager of an organization. Okay, so your teacher may ask you to write a report about the policy of the students at school. What kind of subject the students are passionate at. This is a report to the teacher. The head teacher may ask you to write a report about the same concept. Organizer of an activity like the fundraising, charity, a trip. If a factory is arranging or organizing a trip, you may ask you to write a report. A manager of an organization, like a manager of a company, ask you to write a report about the activities of the employees in the organization or in the company, the needs of the employees, the drawbacks of the employees, the areas of improvement in the management of this organization. This is your audience, the one who will read this report. Let's read this box here. Some features of the report.
Clear organization structures, examples, subheadings, bullet points may be useful, but may not let you demonstrate a sufficient range of grammatical features and a neutral tone.
All right, thank you. So for the organization, number one, the report writing has a very clear organization. A very clear organization. One of these clear organization is to use subheadings. So when we write a report, we may need, it's not a must because of the number of words, because of the word limit. But if you did, there is no problem. What subheadings mean? It means to write the content of the paragraph in a couple of words, headline or title, to provide the title before each paragraph. This is the subheading. Okay. Number two, that writing is in a neutral tone of formal and informal. Here is neutral or semi-formal. So it's not friendly writing. It's not informal writing. Okay, let's see here also. Complete reading, ya Ahmed. Reports has what?
They have a layout in paragraphs, may include subheadings or bullet points. Language, semi-formal, less personal
Yes.
tone. Yeah.
Yeah, good job. So number one, when we write reports, our writing should be what? Very and clearly organized in paragraphs. As we did in letters, each paragraph explains or emphasizes one idea or one bullet point. Number two, it may include subheadings. Okay, I recommend you to do that if the word limit is okay with you. If it will not affect developing your ideas, you can write subheadings. What I mean by subheadings, like this example, for instance, I'll write this paragraph. This is my paragraph. Okay, 1, 2, 3, did it. Subheading mean to write a short phrase here, like areas of improvement. So this paragraph will be about areas of improvement. This is my subheading or subtitle. I'm going to write another paragraph about recommendations. So I can write here, this paragraph will be about what? Recommendations. If I'm writing a paragraph that includes suggestions, so I can write here suggestions. The conclusion, I can write here conclusion. So subheadlines, subtitles, or subheadings are just an organizational feature. So you can use it to organize the structure or the layout of your report. Okay, so you understand now that one of the common features of reports, this differentiated the report to the article, or between the report and the article, is using subheadlines or subheadings. This point is clear? Clear, Shabab?
Clear.
All right. Number two, the tone, the register, the kind of expressions and vocabulary is semi-formal. It means we will not use a personal tone. There is no personalizations here, no personal style in the same way we wrote to a friend. May include technical language. This is really important. Technical vocabulary means advanced vocabulary and topic related vocabulary. topic related vocabulary يا شباب يعني كلمات لها علاقة بالموضوع اللي أنا درستها لكم من شوية. دول اللي احنا خدناهم من شوية تحت دول اسمهم يا شباب؟ اسمهم technical vocabulary. يعني ايه technical vocabulary؟ يعني topic related vocabulary. ماشي؟ أو بنسميها technical. ليه technical؟ لأن اللي هيقرأ الكلمات دول من غير ما يقرأ الموضوع هيفهم الموضوع عن ايه. يعني انت لو قريت الليست بتاعت الكلمات دي كلها هتقدر تخمن الموضوع عن ايه. ده معنى technical vocabulary، انك تستخدم كلمات توضح ان الكلمات دي لها علاقة بالموضوع اللي بكتب عنه. يعني واحد بيتكلم عن education، يبقى الكلمات اللي هيستخدمها يكون لها علاقة ب education، زي assessment، زي curriculum development، style، assessment criteria، ماشي، pedagogy، educational، tutor and so on. طب واحد بيتكلم عن موضوع خاص بالطب، يبقى هيتكلم عن حاجات لها علاقة بالطب. الفوكابيلري اللي هيستخدمها لها علاقة بالطب، زي ايه؟ زي heart attack، زي disaster، زي treatment، زي medicine، زي asthma، اوكي، shock، cardiovascular، liver، kidney، ماشي and so on. فهمنا كده يعني ايه technical vocabulary؟ ان الكلمات اللي انا بستخدمها لازم تكون لها علاقة مباشرة بالموضوع اللي انا بتكلم عنه. تمام كده؟ طيب ده بالنسبة للريبورت. سيبنا من الارتكل دلوقتي لان احنا عايزين نركز النهاردة ان شاء الله على الريبورت. Let's read text A and text B quickly. Read these two texts silently, then get back to me. We need to answer these questions, okay? Which text is more factual, more imaginative, from a personal account, from a science book? Read the two paragraphs, then be sure that you're able to answer the 4 questions below. You know what should you do now?
Yes, sir.
All right, start.
Sir, I got disconnected, so I don't know what's the task.
The task is, yeah, you see the paragraphs on the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, you will read the paragraphs, so you will be able to answer the 4 questions below. Which text is more factual, more imaginative, from a personal account, from a science textbook? Okay?
تمام.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
في يوتيوب You're done? Okay, Hannah sent that one. Sorry, let's answer the questions together, yeah, Hannah, so that we can discuss the points. يلا Hannah, number 1, which one is more factual?